flathead motors. And this particular one has a standard tranny. See, there's your flathead.
And this was what year model?
This would have been, it has a smaller spark plugs on this one, so this would have been 39 and up.
And this is
39 through 48. It's
so this was one of the years like you were talking about putting on the tanks.
yes. And then over here, there's a couple more of them. I'm going to tell you a little story. That is the LaSalle tranny, and that is the strongest standard transmission made in America up to recent times.
Wow.
They were 3-speed, but you couldn't.
Not very big, is it?
No, but they could break them. I've got some pieces when you come back. I'll show you some of the internal gears. They were so strong, they were like a truck. Now over here, this is what they call. They had a short shaft and a long shaft. This is a short shaft, but this is the older model Caddy motor, LaSalle motor, and you might notice it had the bigger plugs. The other ones had 10 millimeter. These are up to the full-size plug. Whereas you look over here again, you'll see that they're small, like modern plugs. This guy's kind of laid down over all the rain, but it's got an automatic tranny. Now, also, while we're back here, somebody looking for wagon parts?
Wagon parts, okay.
Yeah, we have heavy-duty and lightweight wagon parts, hubs. They had fifth wheels, believe it or not. There's one of them over there. And different axles. And then the rims for the wheels, small and large. So if somebody needs
some wagon parts, you got some of those too.
Right. And on the other side of that fence is a 1940 Buick four-door parts car that somebody might be interested in. And here's some of the doors that fit that car and other ones. These are some
Very
of the
good
General
stuff.
Motors cars in the 40-41 time frame.
So you got some extra doors as well.
1967, 68 Buick Riviera, right front fender.
Where's the rest of it?
I'll show it to you.
Okay.